so I'm gonna show you some two Makossa licks you're gonna apply in your church Makossa section. Okay, it's very simple. You can play it as a beginner or as intermediate guitarist as well. So like us to move straight into the video right away. Okay, so I'm playing the key of A. Playing the key of A. Okay, that is the key of A. So we have it here as well. That's the key of A. So the chord progression I'm playing on is the 1, 4, 1, 5. That's do, do, sol. Okay. Now you can play it with this song. So it's very simple, like I said, just to do, va, do, and sol. Okay, so at first you need to practice the chord progression. Okay, you need to practice the chord progression. Then the first lick I played on this other inverse interval. Okay, in this other shape. Yeah. Okay, I play on this shape. So I play. This is your do and mi. Okay, so I hold the two notes and play it at once. Do mi do, do mi do, ma mi re do, do mi do. Okay. Okay. Do mi do, ma mi. And then you pull on there, ma mi. Okay. Then I play so mi do, so mi do. Can play so do mi do. Okay. Now going to the so do mi do. Then I slide from the la on the 4th string to the T, la, T, so. Okay. La, T, re, do. Okay, re, do. That's I come back to my one chord. Re, sorry, re, do, re, do. Okay. Now this finger will still be here. So you'll be able to, play it perfectly. It's still there, okay? Now you take it out. Okay, so that is the first lick. So the second one I played is I played on this shape. Very simple. So this time I play do mi do again. Do mi do, do mi do, la do la. Okay. Okay. I play again. Now this time around I just play. Slide to the saw. So the la to the T that is going to the saw. La saw. Now this will be La Sol. The other one was Re Do. This one is La Sol. La Sol. Okay. So you just need to practice that. It's very simple. Yeah, I'll be you know no say Jehovah no go. So let's hear it sounds again. It's very simple. So you just need to practice those two licks. There are more other licks, okay, when it comes to the Makossa vibes. I'm going to be showing you guys subsequently, okay. So wherever you don't understand, hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the guidelines, tell you how to do it, okay.